What do you want, boy? What's out there? I don't know. I'm scared. Might be the leprechauns.
All right.
Sing it.
I wanna fly like an eagle through the sea.
Dum-dums.
Oh man, look at this guy. He got the flying buzzard's back.
I'm an eagle.
Oh, you're a buzzard. You're a filthy buzzard.
That's right, Uncle Buster.
Maybe I won't tell you the news then. I'll see ya.
That guy swindled you last time, Uncle Buster.
Honey, we can't trust that buzzard.
Maybe I won't tell you the cool thing that's happening in town.
Well, maybe we should listen to him.
You were too lame to do it anyway.
No. Oh.
Fine, I'll tell you. There's a bird show in town. It's like the dog show that you guys went to, but so much cooler because it's a bird show.
Oh, Uncle Buster, I love birds.
You're probably too late to go though. I'll be performing. Hey guys. What's up?
Well, pack it up. We're gonna get an old jalopy and we're gonna go to a bird show. Hopefully they let us in. Come on, everybody. Let's go.
What about us? We wanna go too.
Oh, Scaredy, get your own vehicle. You can go.
Can't a butler join? Ain't another butler.
Oh, that's Shooting Star, right?
Shooting Star?
I don't know.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Can we go?
Yeah, can't we go in your truck? There's enough space for all of us in that one.
Let's all pack in. The more the merrier.
Yay!
I want to go.
Field trip.
Let's go. Road trip. Road trip. Road trip. Yes. It's kind of scary. Well, I want to come, but I don't know if I should come. I haven't had my itch cream applied, but I'll go ahead and go. Oh wait. Oh, I feel so much better with that itch cream. My tail. Oh yes, it's better. Okay, I will go too.
I hope the highway patrol don't pull us. We got this car overloaded. Be careful. Hope the tires hold out and it'll pop. Oh yeah. Oh no! Who fell off into the highway? I did. I knew that would happen.
Well, I did too. All right, let's go.
We're going to the bird show. Gonna see my favorite show. Going to the bird show. Everybody get excited. Hey, wait, we forgot Lucky. Oh, man, we're gonna have to get Lucky. Lucky's gonna have to come to this show.
I'm sure he'll come on his own, guys. Yeah.
Where's Lucky?
No, I think he'll come on his own. Guys, no. Listen, guys, I think he'll come on his own. He doesn't need us. Come on, guys, let's go. We went to the puppet show last year. Why not this? Sure. Sure, buddy. Why not? Come on. Let's go. Let's use our tongues and lasso.
Can I believe my eyes? Old pal Lucky. Mucky.
Sucky and sucky.
Hello, Sucky.
Oh, I don't want Sucky around here. He smells.
Hey, that's not life. Hey, that's not life. That's not
That's the
life.
first place for the show to sit, laddie.
Shooting star, get up there on the platform, boy. You deserve it. You're good butler.
Finally, I'm appreciated for.
Yeah, you did a good job. Much better than Jeffrey, but he's not our butler. Lucky. You're gonna bring this show some luck. Honey, please don't be mean to everyone. You're here to have fun.
Can I sit up there with my friend, please? Your Honor, you're my friends. Thank you.
Jeffrey, where you from, lad?
Well, I'm just a person from Colorado. Not that much about me. There's a thing in town. There's a thing? Well, we gotta go to the thing. Hey guys, have you heard about the thing? Squack? Yeah, we're gonna be continuing in the thing. Cool. Fly us over there. Whee! Yay! Squawk! We gotta go! Gotta go! Squawk! We get
Well, this looks like it's gonna be a good
we
show.
get
We got
first
a packed house
place.
here.
First place. Up here, on the back.
Looks like we got a full show here.
There is a show with research. I must go. I went last year. Why not this year? There's another thing in town, honey. Let's go. Hey, Mutton. Alright, guys. There's a thing in town apparently, and we're apparently supposed to go, so let's go. Alright, we're here. We get up here. Get up on the nice VIP spot. Foxy gotta join. Foxy gotta join. Why can't a fox join? Right, guys?
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
Listen, I know we've had our ups and downs, but come on, give me another chance. I sent you to a carnival. Remember those old days when we were so funny together? There's a thing. I must go and finally invited to something else. Honey, where'd you go? You need to come, 'cause I'm scared without you. Come on. Okay, chill out. I'm here, come on.
Honey, who's all here? I think we've got way too many people. I think we better leave. No, Mama, we're gonna have a good old bird show. Look at all these happy people. When does the show start?
I gotta get to my position.
Uncle Buster,
Get to the position.
I think this show's about to start. I've never been to a bird show.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's meet our fair and very fair judges. Hi. Hi, my name is St. Cassis Francis, or anything above. And I am a giant horse. You might recognize me from the puppy show. Hi, I'm Nala from Hyde and Nala's performance. And we decided if birds are going to judge ours, why not we judge them? And it's me, Luke, the sob story song dog. Hope you guys probably recognize me.
Hey, Lucky, do you know those judges, Lucky?
Yeah, they were in the last concert.
Oh, man.
Whoever wins is top. Whoever wins gets the first top cup.
I don't know. I don't want anybody to win. It's not fair. But some people win. What do you think this
cup.
is? Quit being a wimp there.
A gold cup for first place, a gold medal for second, and a seashell for third. Just like in the dog competition.
Oh,
But-
this is gonna be glorious!
There's something different. For everyone that doesn't win, they get a free egg so they can raise it, because that's our whole job as birds.
All right, baby. The show's about to start. We got the judges in place. We got the prizes ready.
First up is Gooseops, the judge from our last performance with the dogs. He was one of our judges. He will be doing a swan swim. He needs water though, because there's no water right here.
Hey, boy.
No, I'm not going to spray a bunch of water out there. Oh, hey, look, I got a pond out. Okay.
Oh, this is going to be exciting. What's the name of this contestant?
Gooseops. He was performing in last year in the dog competition as one of the judges.
Oh, I remember that creature. It was a very, very good duck. That's a swan, though, actually, I think.
She's a goose.
Oh, a goose, okay. It looks like a Canadian goose of the variety from the ones that you see over in Texas at the park. Yes, I know. Look at him go. Look at that grace and skill. Uncle Buster, could you do that move? Well, no way, boy. I don't have wings and webbed feet. I got webbed feet, but I don't have wings. You know that one time I saw a gator do this? Oh, I hooked him. I was down by the bayou fishing. Snagged something and it came flying out just like this goose is doing. But except it was a gator. Buster, please don't interrupt the show. We're enjoying it. You're spoiling all our fun with your boring stories.
Oh, why don't you quiet down, potty pooper?
And that was Gooseops.
Yeah, Gooseops. Sounds like Goostraba. That's an ancient Eskimo call.
Hey, Dum Dum! Woo! Yeah! Woo woo!
Buster, there's that buzzer that ripped us off!
Yeah, I don't know, man. I hope he loses.
Hi, everybody! It's me, the best eagle in the world! Woo! Yeah! Go, Gerald!
I kind of like him. I forgive him. Gravy! Quiet down. Pipe down, son.
I am the best eagle in the world. Isn't that right, everyone? Yeah!
I think he's a pretty special eagle. He has a great theme song, too.
I don't have a theme song.
Well, I think you do. Now go ahead, get going there, lady.
My sheer presence is all I perform. My sheer presence, my sheer width and strength is enough to make anyone give me the first place.
It's pretty impressive what he's doing.
Ladies, I'd suggest looking away if you're married. I'm a pretty strong and cool bird. Isn't that right, everyone? Yeah! Uncle Gerald! Is that right, ladies?
Yeah, that's right. Baby. Settle down, boy.
My pure presence is enough to give me the win. Because everybody loves me because I paid them to love me. Oh, cool.
Oh, man. Who's up on the next on the bird show? Look at these beautiful, colorful animals. Yeah, but I remember that one. Yeah, parrot.
Tookie, squawk, monkey, squawk. Restaurant, squawk, restaurant, squawk. Tookie, monkey, Tookie, monkey, Tookie, monkey's restaurant.
Hey, shooting star, what do you think?
Oh, this is actually kind of cool. They're just singing. Tookie, monkey, squawk, squawk, squawk. Tookie, monkey, squawk, squawk, squawk. Tookie, monkey, squawk, squawk, squawk. Tookie, monkey, Tookie, monkey. Tookie, 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 monkey, 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 monkey.
Wait, this is a very important show. I like it.
Restaurant. We have a restaurant called Tookie and Monkey's. We make a great team. Head on down to the Tookie Town with Monkey Too.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one, man. I gotta tell you. Handle Buster. Can we get some of them hits?
Kinda cool. Yeah, it's kinda cool.
I wonder who's next.
Hi. I bet that you think that I won't be able to lay that many eggs on command. But I can lay a whole bucket of eggs on command.
Uncle Buster,
I will
you
fill.
really think this is a true thing, or is this just a
I will
magic trick?
I will fill this bucket full of eggs by pooping them out. Ready? Tell me when to go, okay? And I'll fire.
Go, Lenny, go! Start the show! Oh, look at those 2 golden eggs!
I can do it on command anytime, and I will even make it more impressive and launch them outside of the bucket. I'll go like this, and I'll fire them in.
Uncle Buster, this is getting a little exciting.
I'll fire them in. I'll fire them in whenever you say.
Look it! What do you think, boy?
I'll fire them in whenever you audience say.
Okay, go, hurry before I get you scared. No, that's an awfully big one. Yes, that was a very decent egg right there. How did that come out?
Egg?
That's a big egg for such a small bird.
I'm gonna fill the bucket. Ready? I can command myself to egg too. Fire!
Drop those eggs, baby. All right. Well, are you gonna hatch those eggs?
Oh, somebody can make an omelet out of these.
Ooh, omelet, what kind?
I don't know.
At least you put some hush puppies in there on the side with some etouffee.
Dude, I'm trying to
Some boudin.
I'm trying to perform.
Yeah, we gotta get some of that.
I'm trying to perform. I'm trying to perform. Ready? I'm gonna egg. Ready?
Ah, that's amazing, I tell you. You having Lucky Charms? I know about that, Lenny.
Ready? I'm gonna do rapid fire. I'm gonna do even more rapid fire.
It's almost full. Well, this trick is gonna be a really good one too.
Well, I will hopefully win this challenge. Do you think I can lay one more egg? I filled the bucket. You think I can lay one more? Do you believe it?
Yeah, I think you can do it, baby.
And I laid all these eggs just in a minute.
Well, honestly, this trick is probably the most difficult.
Thank you.
It's the most involved of all the animals we've seen.
Thank you.
Well, yeah, it is.
Honey, can you give me some of those eggs? They look delicious.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
The eggs will be
We'll
so.
bring them back to Louisiana, we'll cook them up, and we'll have a crawdad boil
Sorry, but
with eggs.
sire, we live in Texas. Remember your granddaddy? He told you that it was a lie.
Yeah, speaking of Patrick, where is he?
Well, we didn't bother to invite. Our butlers we didn't decide to invite him because last time he kind of knocked out all of the judges and became the judge and put the person. Took
Yeah,
the
that was a
person.
good decision.
Yeah, he was.
Poppy can be a little ornery sometimes.
I don't think it was
You
a
know
good
why he's
idea.
ornery? Because of his medulla oblongata.
Okay, next up we have
Did you hear me?
the.
Medulla oblongata.
I am the announcer, and we have these two beautiful swans doing a swan dance. A love dance.
It's gonna be very beautiful. I can tell. It's gonna make me cry.
What do you think, Fiona? How's this show? You enjoying it, girl?
Shut up.
Okay, I won't ever speak to you again with that kind of lip.
Good.
Just for that, I ain't inviting you over for the crawdad boil.
I don't want crawdads. Ew.
Oh, they're delicious. Did I ever tell you the time I was down in Shreveport? And we were going to a ceremony and we...
Uncle Buster, shut up. There's a
Boy, don't talk back to me. Let the swans do their thing. Now go!
Making a heart, doing some love. Making a heart and doing some love. Making love, making love. Throw me up into the sky. But catch me when I fall on your back. That's exactly what I do. And I will give you a shoe, so I know what shoe you wear every day, and I won't change your underwear.
Sounds like an old Irish limerick. Oh, we have swans in Ireland too. Oh, I love them. That might have been my favorite act.
But probably not the judge's favorite. Next up is Crazy Princess, one of the judges. Crazy Parrot.
Uncle Buster, I remember this one. This is the one that was really crazy. Had a weird voice. Talk like this. I'm going to do a trick that you'll never see.
Yep, that's that crazy old bird. The crazy hair. Like it fell into a cotton candy machine.
Hey, I don't appreciate the insults. But what I'm going to do right now is show you how I can do flips. Oh, the bus, look at those flips. And I know how to ride a toy rocking horse. It's a bucking bronco. This is going to possibly kill me. Oh, this ought to be good.
Lucky! Give some luck to that bird. It's dangerous. You could die.
I'm not lucky.
You could die.
On your mark, get set, go. Oh!
I can fly, it's fine.
Oh, honey, this is very scary. What do you think, Gravy? Scary? Ah!
I can't fly, so I am fine.
Well, I want to sing a song that Laddie would know. With Irish eyes smiling. Oh, this is making me so sad. Hey man, this is like a bucking bronco. Look at that. And then it's going to do a dismount and do a flip off the horse to finish the act. That's what I predict. How do you know, Uncle Buster? Yes, here I go to end my act. I think that this is a very difficult trick. This poor bird. It's bucking, and the horse bucked it off.
Oh man, look at that.
Look at that baby swinging around like a circus trapeze. Oh, I'm going to throw up this bucking bronco. Uncle Buster, that was incredible. Yeah, boy, that was pretty darn good. Gravy, what do you think? I don't know. We need another shot of scared brave tunes. Well, here comes the next act, thankfully. This must be a very solemn act. What does that mean, Buster? What does solemn mean? Shut up. Go look it up in the dictionary.
Patty cake, baker's man. I don't know the rest of the song, so I'm gonna make it up. Baker's boy get kicked in the butt because he didn't make enough bread for lunch. Cause he has to feed his family, cause he was the only one who had a good job application. The rest weren't good. The boy got kicked in the butt because he didn't get any money. He didn't make enough money to get food for tonight. The little boy got kicked in the butt because he didn't make food for lunch.
I think this is the story of Patrick. This sounds like his story.
The little boy, the adult got kicked in the butt because he treated the little boy bad. Now the little boy's off the flock. He fledged away from parents. Now they don't have no money. Now they plead for him to come back, but that's too late. The little boy swoops and kicks his parent in the face. Now that's just much. Now you know the story of how truly patty cake goes.
Oh man, that sounded like a Santa Claus is coming to town, but it had better song lyrics. Yeah, that was a catchy little tune. We'll have to put that one on. Upload that thing over to Spotify, get it up on the list.
I suggest that the first place, we know who it's gonna be. Can I announce it? I'm gonna announce it.
What do you think, Uncle Buster? Yeah, honey, who do you think?
Crazy Parrot gets first place.
What? That's a doll, man.
I got first place for riding a bucking bronco.
Congratulations, you crazy,
Second place.
blacked out, pink-haired bird.
Second place goes to the rabbit for laying so many freaking eggs.
Oh, Uncle Buster, I knew that one was going to get something in one of the prizes.
And last place goes to the two toddlers for making such a good patty cake.
Ah, my favorite. You just reminded me of my pet tarantula. His name was Paul.
Thank you all.
Yeah, alright. Ooh, that was a good one. I enjoyed that show. That was the best show ever. Thank you, everyone. Gravy! Come on, boy. Let's get this group together and go on home. Leave the show.
Hold up! This is all wrong.
Everybody sing. Hit it, Luster. Oh! What the hell?
I hate.
Uncle Buster got thrown down the cliff. We're gonna have to have a funeral for Uncle Buster.
I hate that song.
He's dead.
Listen, everybody.
What did you do to my husband? You threw it off the cliff, you evil buzzard!
Now I know, everybody. I am the best person in the world. Now I am sorry, but I should have gotten first, judges. I should have gotten first, and I'm gonna get first, whether you like it or not. Those are rules. Those are rules. What they say.
Oh, this is horrible.
I will throw you off the cliff too if you don't get me first place. What's the bell? Ooh, I must go towards the bell. The bell is down here. Oh no, there's a stick of batter. What? He got what he deserved.
No, you can't kill Uncle Buster. We're gonna have to have a funeral now. He's dead. He'll never be a part of a show or video ever again. Buster's dead.
Squawk! I will go save Buster, but not that dirty eagle. Die, eagle. Buster, help is here.
Wait a second. My eyeballs fell out of my head. Other than that, I'm just fine. Oh man. I tell
No,
you, I'll get even
worry.
with that buzzard if it's the last thing I ever do. He just gets all upset when we tell him we love his theme song. Woody, are you okay?
Everybody, we have a worldwide announcement. The stupid eagle doesn't have a theme song, and it is not flying like an eagle. He doesn't have a theme song, and if you do say that he does, you'll be thrown in jail for 3 days.
Right. No.
Do you want to get thrown in jail?
No,
Well, then he say he doesn't have a theme song.
he doesn't have a theme song. He has a different theme song.
He doesn't have a theme song at all.
Yes, he does.
Then what is it?
Do you really want to hear it?
We don't.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I can tell you what it is. It's a song that I saw at a concert by a band who I really love. But I won't tell you what it is.
Why not, boy? You got us in suspense. Come on, man, tell us.
Nope. Sorry. Not going to tell you.
Tell us or you're arrested.
Okay, I'll play it for you.
Sing it.
I wanna fly like an eagle to the sea. Let me get right to the chorus.
That's Iron Maiden. Yeah.
That's a one, Uncle Buster.
What is that music? I'm so weak. Play the song again. Play the song again. Play the song again.
You know what? I really do like that Iron Maiden, man. They're pretty good.
Play the song again.
Hey, the mascot is pretty scary.
Hey guys, can I hear that theme song again? That was actually pretty good.
Yeah, you want to hear it? Well, I heard this one and I thought of you. This is your new theme song.
I'm back from the dead.
Whoa, this is a scary one. Flash has a son.
Go, man, go!
That's right, man. That's a great one. If that's your theme song, I love you.
Me too.
It is. But I truly don't like you.
Oh man, this is a good one. I feel like I'm at a metal concert.
Yeah, but Buster, another time you took me to go see AC/DC.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. Come on, get it going, everybody!
Come on, Lucky!
Scream it, Lucky! I think that's a good theme.
In a world full of bald eagles and annoying cats. Cat Karens, bald eagle thieves.
I heard him, but he's not really here. Ravy's not here. Ravy's not there!
I don't think the frogs know what's coming. But, who knows? With the friends by their sides, or don't have friends by their sides. That's what we're going to find out in the next few episodes.
Eagle, you've embarrassed our family for the last time. You're
No.
going to get beat up, Buzzard.
Never!
You're gonna fly like a buzzard.
No, I'm not!